Hello guys, Abibi Golden here, and welcome to today's presentation. Today I'll be briefly explaining the Forsage S Gold matrix that was launched yesterday, and I'll be telling you how it works. I know a lot of people are a bit skeptical about this matrix, like the way it's being composed on and all. Yeah, and one thing I'm like, this matrix is one of the best right now, the best of all matrix. Like before, my favorite matrix was the X4, right now, and this is my favorite matrix right now. So I want you guys to actually understand how this works and how you can actually earn from this, and strategies to actually use with this matrix to actually get more money. I mean, earn more from this. Like, yeah, that's the goal. We need to make more. Like, we are in the ember, ember months now, and we need to make a lot of money before December, so we can actually, like, you get what I'm saying. So let's get into the presentation, and yeah. So yeah, so what's the restriction of Xcode? So normally, actually, if we the Forsage actually launched about a month ago, and at least a lot of people actually registered. I registered, and a lot of people registered. We have over almost 200,000 users who have registered to the Forsage and Tron. But Forsage Tron actually launched with just the two metrics you know about, the X3 and XO, and the X Gold launch yesterday. I think they were trying to perfect that matrix and make sure it was going well. And yes, they did a great job on that matrix. And within yesterday, I think it's just over just 24 hours since the matrix has launched, and I can actually give testimonials on it because I've earned at least over, I think, 5,000 trons from the matrix alone within 24 hours, and that's insane. Like, just a day. I'm looking at 7 days from now, putting more effort, and yeah, that's just it, guys. So what I'm trying to say is that, okay, yeah, what's the registration of the platform? If you have registered for Forsage before, you know, when we register, you use a total of 200 trons, which automatically activate the X3 and the X4 matrix with 100 trons simultaneously, which is going to open the first levels in X3 and X4 for you. So now you need to open the X Gold matrix individually. Now you need a total of 200 trons with a transaction fee of about 10 trons, that's 210 trons, to open that matrix. That is if you are in Forsage before. Forsage Tron, I mean. So now, if you're just new to Forsage, you haven't registered at all, you just want to register right now, you're going to be needing a total of 400 TRX to register to the platform, which 100 trons will be opening the first level in X3 and X4, and 200 trons is going to open the first level in the X Gold. Yes, Gold. So yeah, that's it about the registration fee. So yeah. So what does the Edge Gold look like? The Edge Gold marketing, like we have seen that the Edge Gold has a lot of slots in each level. It's like, wow, it is crazy. So the Edge Gold has a total of 30 slots in the whole matrix. You get what I'm saying? So a 30 total slots. So we have 2 slots in the first line, 4 slots in the second line, and 8 slots in the third line, and 16 slots in the fourth line. You can actually see it has been identified, and total of 30 slots. That is massively. So now, how can you earn on these slots? You can actually earn by spillovers, referring people into there, and overflows from the system. That's how you can actually earn on this matrix. So I'm going to be telling you details how you can actually earn on this matrix right now. And yeah, so now you know we have a total of 30 slots in the matrix, and how it is being placed. And you can actually see we have two reinvestment right now. You can actually see this is the twist about this matrix. This matrix one is really wonderful, and kudos to the Forsage team. Actually, they actually put a lot of effort into this matrix, and I really love it. And yeah, I'll be explaining that in a bit right now. So yeah, so now this is my full breakdown of the matrix. Now you can actually see that we have 30 slots, and now this is my full breakdown of the matrix. So how can you earn on the X Gold? You earn by spillovers, your direct referrals, and any by spillovers you're going to be earning from the third generations of your upline. You can actually earn from your upline and your downline, and you're going to be getting earnings from your upline to the third level. You get what I'm saying? To the third level, which this is you, this is the person that referred you, and you can actually get spillovers from the person that referred your referrer, and yeah, to the third level right here. You can actually see that I actually identify everything. You can actually see this is you, the first level referral, which is the main person who referred you. The second level referral is the person who referred your referrer. You can actually get that. The third level upline is the person who referred you can actually get that. I just read like so you can actually get the language in it, and the diagram is more self-explanatory, so you can actually see that. So now, what is the marketing of this? Now we all know, just like the first the X4 matrix, the first two slots right below you always goes to the upline. That is for sure. So this first two slots here is going to go to your upline. You get that right? First two slots goes to your upline, and on the second line, which has a total of four slots here, normally on the X4 we get the full payment, while the last one here is for reinvestment. But this time around, the twist is there, and which makes it more unique and more profitable. I will explain. So now we are going to be getting a total of 20% on just this second line. Now you'll be saying 20%. That's small. That's small. Yeah, it is not small, because if you actually calculate how much you earn on this one matrix alone, that is over 1,120% return of investment. That is really much. That is it. So I'll be doing this now. I did something. I broke down on how much you're going to be earning from each slot. Like now I'm going to be using the first level in the X Gold, which is the level 1, which costs 200 trons. Okay, now you can actually, we have a total of 15 levels. You can actually see we have level 1, level 2 to 15. So now I'll be using this level 1 as example, breaking it down how much you earn, and you can actually apply that knowledge to all the levels also. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, so now you're going to be earning a total of 20% on this second line, which 20% on the second line for these 4 people here, and you're going to be earning 30% on the fourth line from 8 people, and on the fourth line, you're going to be earning a total of 50%, open 50%, you get what I'm saying? And 50% means you're going to be getting just 14 of the payment, and 2 serve as reinvestment. I will tell you the reason why there are 2 reinvestment in this system. So now let's do the breakdown using the first level, which is on X Gold, which costs 200 trons. So yeah, so what you need to know and understand, so you need to get this right, and you can actually use to apply the knowledge to other levels also. So now on this level, you can actually see you only earn 20% from 4 people. Yeah, I divided it and let you should know. So from 4 people, if you're earning 20% for 2, like using the level 1 in X Gold as an example, you're going to be earning 20% on the second line from 4 people, which if you calculate, is going to be a total of 40 trons from one person, and it comes out in a total of 116 trons just on the second line. Just on this second line, you're going to be earning a total of 160 trons using the first level in X Gold as an example. On the fourth line here, we have a total of 8 slots. You're going to be earning 30% from that. 30% from that. So 30% of that, with the example of L1, the level 1 in X Gold, you're going to be earning 60 TRX from one slot. On each slot you're gonna get it. You earn 60 TRX on each slot, which come out in a total of 480 TRX. You can actually see that your money has, the amount you used to buy the level has actually come back, and with a bit of profit also. Now that is not the end. Now this is the amazing part. You can actually get this, like the more it goes down, the more profit you can actually get. You can actually see on the fourth line you earn 50%. So 50% using the first level in the X Gold, which means 200 trons in 50%. You're going to be earning a total of 100 TRX on each slot, and you're going to be getting for 14 people. We have 16 slots here, and you're going to be getting 14 directly to your wallet, and 2 serve as a reinvestment. So it's open this matrix for you again, and you can actually earn from there over and over again. So I calculated that. So if you're going to be earning 100 trons from 14 people, that means from year to year 14, and this is reinvestment. So 14 times 100 trons, then you're going to be getting a total of 1,400 TRX. Now calculate everything together, you're going to be getting a total of 2,040 TRX just on the first one circle, and that is just on level 1. That is just on level 1 in X Gold. That is crazy. 2,040 trons with 200 TRX which you used to open that level. That is insane. Now you can actually imagine if you are earning that kind of amount on the first level, what are you going to earn on this And fifth, oh god, getting to level 15, that is insane. Insane. You see, one thing about this is good, it comes with a lot of opportunity with Forsage introducing their token, which is the FRS Forsage Royal Society token. I won't be explaining that in this video, but I'll keep a link in the description whereby you can actually go there and watch the video of how I explained it. Also, it is actually useful because the token is more like what's the future of Forsage going to look like. So yeah, so you actually get this now. You actually get this now. I've do the vision for you how much you can actually earn on each slot, on each level, on the line. On the second line you get okay, let's reverse back. So the second line, on the first line, the total the payment goes to your upline. It goes to your upline. Second line you earn 20%. The third line you earn 30%, and on the fourth you earn 50%. And on the fourth line you only get 14 of it. While the last two, the penultimate and the last, which is it serve as a reinvestment. Now you might be looking the last two, okay. So now you might be asking that why is there two reinvestments in this, and why? I mean, how is it going to work? So for certain actually consider this, and they actually put in a bit twist, and which make it good. So now on the S good repeat, you can actually see the repeat individual smart contract. So now the big question is, but how automatic repeat in the S good work? Now you might be asking, okay, yeah, there are two reinvestments. How is it going to work? Normally we only have one investment that goes to the upline and open the metrics for you again. Now you'll be like, wow, how is this going to make sense? So the secret in this S good is that you have your own smart contract. Now it gets complicated now. I have my smart contract, but we are dealing with a smart contract. How does this work? Now I'll be explaining better. You see, Forsage, I mean, I want to read this, but not to waste much of the time, I'm just going to just explain it of how it works. You can actually pause the video and read out the line so you can actually get. So on the S good matrix, we have two reinvestment, right? And on a slot cost, let's say using the first level in X good, it costs 200 trons. That's the first level. You get what I'm saying? 200 trons. You see, 200 trons. So now we need to recycle this level back, and we're only getting 50% on this level. So 50% can't just 50% is 100 trons, and 50% can't open this level, this matrix for you again. So you need to collect two payments, which makes it 50 plus 50 equals to 100, and open that matrix for you again, so you can actually earn from it again. So now the big question is that, okay, there are some circumstances whereby you might have gotten this 50, the second to the last reinvestment, and you're just waiting for the last reinvestment to come and open that matrix for you again. You get what I'm saying? So now Forsage actually did something really amazing and make this really cool. Now you might be thinking that, why can't that 50% just go to your upline, and the last one should just go and you get that again. Forsage team actually did twist in that, which makes it amazing. So this is what they do. So they said it is unacceptable for us to create a fund accumulation in the smart contract of the community. We have always emphasized that we do not collect participant fund on the Forsage smart contract balance. Now Forsage has always maintained the decentralization of the platform. Like, nobody controls the system, nobody controls how you earn, how you what is your money doing, and all kind of stuff. You get what I'm saying? You should get the parts decentralization and transparency right. So now for them to maintain that decentralization, now the 50%, this 50% here, normally it's supposed to go to somewhere and wait for this last one to come, then it goes to your upline or wherever it's going to go to, so it can open this matrix for you again and earn from it again. You get what I'm saying? But Forsage team didn't do that. They don't want to collect that funds and hold it for you to maintain that decentralization, because the moment they start collecting the funds in their smart contract, holding it for it is not decentralization, because the fund is already in their account. And there might be some, you get what I'm saying, some cases whereby it might turn south and just carry, I mean, the money is gone. You get what I'm saying? But for them to maintain that transparency that yes, we are decentralized, what they do is that they create a smart contract. Immediately you activate on the S Gold, you have a smart contract on the system, on the blockchain, that accumulates your investment for you. So now, but in the Forsage, you have your own smart contract, a smart contract on the Tron, which is not available to anyone but you. The penultimate payment of 50%, penultimate payment means the second to the last payment of 50% goes to the individual contract, and you only can and only you can manage this fund. Meaning that on the smart contract, these funds go into the this last penultimate payment, the 50% goes here, waiting for the last payment to come, so it can actually bring going as it can add up as 100% and open that matrix for you again, so you can actually earn from there. So the smart contract is meant for you. You can manage the funds. You can wish, if you don't want to reinvest on that slope and then decide to spend it, that's you. I don't know, but you need to invest on that platform, right? So you have to keep the 50% and wait for the last 50% to come, and it's sum up together, and it goes into reinvesting, and goes on and it goes, and you continue to circle, right? So now you get it right. So briefly of what we have actually said. So now you understand that there is a total of 30 slots on the X Gold. You get what I'm saying? And the first payment goes to the upline. You earn 20% on the second line, you earn 30% on the third line, and 50% on the fourth line. And you need two reinvestments which sum up to 100%, so you can actually open that level again. And for the investment, you have your own smart contract on the blockchain, whereby this 50% goes there and it waits for the last 50% to sum up as 100%, so you can open that matrix for you again. So now you get the deal, right? You get the deal, right? I hope you get it. So that's the end of this coming presentation. We're only talking about the X Gold. If you want to know more about Forsage, how it works in the O, about how the X4 and the X3 works, you can actually click the link in the description. I'm leaving a link there. You can actually go there and watch the video. And I talk about the Forsage the Forsage token, the Forsage Royal Society token that just came out, along with the X Gold. Wow, it's crazy. So you can actually click on the link below and actually watch the presentation on that and how it works. You can actually learn that also. So yes guys, yeah, that's all, and I'll see you in a bit, and bye. I still remain Habib Golden.